Hey everyone, so in today's video I wanted to share this video that I had uploaded to my Spanish channel, and it's this glamorous makeup look that it's very easy to recreate. It's really gonna open up your eye. It is very elegant. You can wear it with a dress or you can wear it just with a casual outfit. Whenever you're doing an eyeshadow, you want to prime your lid because this is going to help the makeup stay in place. Then I'm going to use this Tarte palette, which I love, and these are the colors I am going to be using. I am going to be applying this brown shade on my crease, and the trick to applying a crease shadow is to always start at the very end of your eye, and then with whatever's left on the brush, you want to work your way in. Then you want to go in with a darker shade. Always do that. Start from lightest to darkest, and what this does is that it's going to create more dimension on the eye. Now I'm gonna go in with this palette by MAC, which I love, and I am going to be using a brush that's a little bit more precise, and I'm gonna grab that gray color. By the way, gray is such a beautiful color if you have my same complexion. It is excellent if you want to contour. I don't know if you do this, but gray is just a beautiful color. Now with this beautiful shimmery shade, I am going to just apply a second coat on top of that gray that I had applied so that the shimmer just makes the eye really stand out. Now you want to use a blending brush so that there are no streaks whatsoever, and so that everything just looks flawless and very effortless. With the same Tarte palette, I am now going to be using this darker shade, and if you notice, I am using a blending brush. I want to add more dimension to the eye, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab still a blending brush, but one that's a little bit more defined so that I know exactly where I'm applying the product and so that it really stands out. This highlighter palette is by Urban Decay, and I love it. I think it is beautiful because the colors, you can use them to highlight your cheeks, you can use them on your eye. If you notice, I am using that color, and what I'm doing is that I'm using my finger to apply it on my lid. Then the color is going to stand out, and then with that shimmery color, I am going to apply it on my brow bone. Using that same pink shade, I am going to carve out my brow bone. These are the lashes I am using. I love them. They are by the brand Ardell. They are the wispies. And what I'm going to do with a precise brush is that I'm going to start applying liner underneath. So now using that black shade, this is a very precise brush. The brushes I'm using are by Jaclyn Hill and the other ones are by MAC. But this brush just allows for me to have more precision. And then with this other brush, I am going to blend everything so that the brown and the black really blend in together and my eyes just appear larger. Now I am moving on to concealer. I love concealer. This concealer is by Amazing Cosmetics. I'm not sure if they sell it at Sephora, but this concealer covers everything. Now I am going to contour my cheekbones, and the reason why you're seeing me use the back of the brush is because I really don't want to apply a lot of product. This was an old way of me applying contour. My contour game has evolved. I found a better way of applying contour, and yeah, I had to go in again with the brush because it really didn't do any justice. But there's a better way of applying contour. Contour is just going to make your face appear thinner. Wherever you contour, that's where you are making the area appear thinner, smaller. Now on top of the contour, you can go ahead and you can apply a highlighter of your choice. Now I am going to go onto the lips, and I am going to wear this beautiful brownish reddish color, and the reason why you're seeing that my lips are so glossy, that is because before I applied the liner, I had applied a chopstick. I believe, I don't remember the name, but I think it's by Bite Beauty, and I applied that beforehand, and then that's why you're seeing that glossy effect on my lips. So yes, this completes the look. I hope that you guys love it. I had so much fun filming this video. It was in Spanish, but I still wanted for you guys to be able to see it. If you love it, please give this video a thumbs up. I also upload other celebrity inspired makeup tutorials if you want to check those out. I also do lifestyle videos. Thank you so much for your time, and I will see you next time. Bye.